Goodwood awakens to begin crafting Phantom C-PH001.
The Phantom's bespoke blueprint is locked and mapped onto every system.
Aluminium billets are scanned and qualified for Phantom-grade forming. Reinforcement alloys are validated for Phantom-level structural integrity.
The chosen Ibanya flitch, #27, is preserved under perfect conditions.
Cognac hides are conditioned and prepared for Phantom-grade softness.
Engineers draft every Phantom panel with micron-level specifications.
The presses synchronize force profiles for Phantom-grade precision.
The Phantom's very first body panel takes shape under thousands of tons. Phantom's fenders take shape with laser-verified curvature precision. The Phantom's roof section is shaped with integrated reinforcement zones. Surface smoothing prepares the bonnet for its signature mirror finish.
Robotic milling perfects every edge for seamless panel alignment.
Panels undergo stress relief to prevent distortion during assembly. The Phantom-specific body jig is prepared for precision panel mounting.
Both fenders are placed exactly in line with the Phantom's profile.
The bonnet is aligned with the Phantom's signature front-end architecture.
The roof section is mounted, completing Phantom's upper body contour. Internal reinforcement ribs give the Phantom its foundational strength. Pillars are positioned to form the iconic Phantom door architecture. Aircraft-grade bonding permanently fuses Phantom's body structure.
Robotic precision meets human craftsmanship in Phantom structural welds. Laser seam fusion creates invisible joints for a monolithic silhouette.
Tension mapping ensures every panel flexes exactly as Phantom engineering demands.
Acoustic foam is injected to create Phantom's future silent environment. The Phantom's floor pan is aligned and acoustically validated.
The Phantom's floor pan is aligned and acoustically validated.
Rear quarter panels define Phantom's flowing rear silhouette.
The raw Phantom body shell emerges for the very first time.
Hand finishing transforms the raw body into a paint-ready sculpture.
Clay mapping reveals microscopic surface imperfections.
Surface fillers perfect panel transitions to achieve seamless reflections.
Robotic sanding levels the entire body before sealing.
Hand block sanding refines surfaces beyond robotic precision.
Phantom's shell prepares for electrocoat corrosion protection. E-coating protects the Phantom's body at a molecular level. E-coat drains uniformly to ensure smooth primer application later. The controlled heat cures the protective coating into a hardened shell. A precision primer coat prepares Phantom Chassis-PH001 for paint.
A precision primer coat prepares Phantom Chassis-PH001 for paint.
Wet sanding refines the primer into a flawless paint-ready finish. Wet sanding refines the primer into a flawless paint-ready finish.
Arctic Pearl paint is created from handcrafted mica and pearlescent blends.
A static neutral wash ensures absolutely no dust interrupts the finish.
The first Arctic Pearl layer transforms the shell into shimmering frost.
Pearlescent particles settle into formation during the flash dry stage.
A second layer enriches Arctic Pearl's luminous depth. The final base coat unlocks Arctic Pearl's iconic ice luminosity.
A crystal clear protective coat is prepared for the Phantom's exterior.
Clear coat adds volume, depth, and mirror brilliance to Arctic Pearl.
Controlled heat fuses all paint layers into a hardened protective skin.
Reflection calibration confirms a perfect Arctic Pearl foundation.
Wet sanding flattens the clear coat for a flawless glass-like finish.
Robotic polishers smooth the clear coat into a luminous foundation.
Hand polishing unlocks the signature Phantom brilliance.
Spirit of Ecstasy is refined and tested for flawless, silent movement.
A single handmade stroke becomes the Phantom's signature.
A protective layer seals the Coachline, ensuring timeless durability. Mirror tunnel testing confirms reflection perfection across all panels.
Exterior detailing completes Phantom's paint perfection stage.
Exterior detailing completes Phantom's paint perfection stage.
Only flawless cognac hides are approved for the Phantom's interior.
Laser mapping prepares each leather section for millimeter-perfect cutting.
Automated cutters shape every cognac leather piece with surgical precision. Ebonia Flitch #27 is prepared for perfect grain flow across the cabin.
Book matching creates the flowing, symmetrical grain signature of Phantom.
Vacuum pressing fuses veneer seamlessly onto sculpted cabin surfaces. Lacquer layers lock in the depth and clarity of the Ebonia veneer. Double rail seam stitching gives Phantom its unmistakable upholstery identity. Comfort modules transform raw seat frames into Rolls-Royce lounge seating. Hand tensioning shapes the cognac leather into flawless seat surfaces. The dashboard shell is aligned to Phantom's perfect interior geometry.
Book-matched Ebonia veneer forms a flowing, uninterrupted dashboard.
The chrome accents and iconic clock give Phantom its timeless identity.
Dashboard electronics are synchronized for Phantom's digital intelligence.
The dashboard glides into the cabin, transforming structure into space.
Every Starlight fiber is prepared to form a bespoke night sky.
Artisans craft a constellation into Phantom's ceiling panel.
The Starlight Headliner transforms the cabin into a private sky. Door trims blend wood, leather, and light into a unified luxury panel. Soft closed doors complete Phantom's effortless cabin experience. Hand-fitted wool carpeting forms the Phantom's silent, plush flooring. The Phantom's front seats awaken, ready to shape themselves around the passenger. Rear lounge seating transforms the Phantom into a traveling sanctuary.
The center console is crafted as a seamless extension of the dashboard.
The steering wheel receives hand-wrapped leather with flawless stitching.
The steering wheel becomes the Phantom's primary command interface.
The infotainment screen reveals itself with Phantom-like elegance.
Ambient lighting is tuned to create Phantom's serene cabin atmosphere.
A bespoke audio system fills the cabin with studio-grade sound.
The Phantom's interior comes to life for the very first time.
The Phantom's V12 arrives with the signature of its master craftsman.
Chrome-dressed components elevate the V12 into a work of mechanical art.
The complete powertrain prepares for its union with the Phantom body. In the legendary Mary sequence, Phantom receives its beating heart. Self-righting wheels complete the Phantom's majestic stance. Phantom's lifeblood systems fill and circulate for the first time.
The V12 hums to life as Phantom undergoes its first dynamic test.
A final human inspection certifies Phantom worthy of its name.
Water and wind tests ensure Phantom's flawless weatherproofing. Car is of white color.
The Phantom is delivered, whole, the final masterpiece of human craftsmanship.